The beaver is a serious matter, but it should be easy for the animator inside. The mascot beaver from Nizhny Novgorod Carnival Factory is created for those who appreciate both image and convenience. The animator's eyes are in the mascot's mouth area, a non-standard but very practical solution that gives an excellent overview. Ventilation holes are located there as well as in the eye area. It breathes freely. The suit is light. A soft jumpsuit with a comfortable zipper does not constrain movements. Included, soft overalls, soft shoes with rubberized soles, gloves, head. Every detail is qualitatively worked out, from a flat tail to teeth. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control. Suitable for animators up to 185 cm tall, optimal for size 48 with a height of 175. The production period is from 14 to 30 days. An ideal solution for eco-events, children's parties, promotions of construction companies, and outdoor festivals. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to 160 plus countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an accurate miscalculation of an individual order? Contacts for video, write, call, Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.